Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Natasha coming back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're one of my dear ones, welcome back. So I've been meaning to do this for a while, just never did. So I did film a video today, had my makeup on, everything, and I'm like, why not? So by the title, I am doing a skincare routine. Yeah, one of those. Another one. But yeah, I am going to be, well, this is an updated version because I have changed my skincare routine. And it has been working, honey. So yes, so I'm going to share that with you guys today, and I hope, fix the pillow. Oh my God. I've been doing this 14-day challenge. I'm my abdomen. Bruh. Ooh, it's a hot me bod. I will be showing you guys what I am using, my updated products and whatnot. So yeah, let's see. First, what we do, we need to take off this makeup. So this is the face all beat and whatnot. Like, yeah. All right. And this is the face after. Why y'all make it seem like it's so easy? Like, oh, so it actually worked this time. Okay, well, majority of the makeup's off. Don't mind the bags. It's just natural. Nice. Oh God, I can't even laugh about this. But yeah, so makeup's off. So what I will do, I will go in with my Aveeno Positivity Radiant Micellar Gel Cleanser Makeup Remover. I like to spray a lot of water on my face. And then I wet my little makeup remover cloth. Swoosh it around a little bit for it to get, see, for it to be like that. And then, see, all that makeup. Okay, so after I clean that off, I go in with my other cleanser. So I have two. Don't mind my face. I don't want to dry my face. I want to leave the water on because I'm about to use my cleansing bar. So I usually use one or either. Right now I'm currently using this or this. So I have my LULU's turmeric and lavender shea bar soap. But I use that my face, my body, wherever. But what I've been using, because this when I start using, I already finished the first one, I am using this one. I kind of go back and forth, but I love both of them. I don't go back and forth like use today, use that one tomorrow. No, I will use this for a period of time and then I'll use that for a period of time. So I've been using that one for a period of time. Now I'm gonna take a pause. Now I'm using this, which is the CeraVe Hydrating Cleansing Bar. I'm gonna wash my face again. I'll be back. This is my face. All right, yes. Then I will go in with a little toner, but my toner is a soothing toner. This is it. I have two. I use this. This is the, to be honest, I got this from the Dollar Tree, so it's $1. And this is cucumber and aloe. I love cucumber and aloe, and it works so good on my face. You know, you don't have to use a toner if you don't want to. But And if I feel like my face is drying out, I don't really use a toner per se. But yeah, but that's besides the point. So next I'm gonna go in with my CeraVe hydrating hydrochloric acid serum. Bam. And tap tap. Next I'm gonna go in with, face look good so far, man. I'm gonna go in with my CeraVe Skin Renewal Vitamin C Serum. 100% vitamin C. So yeah. Don't do it. Now pay attention to that. Alright, so I put a little on my face. And then you just massage it in. Next, and if y'all see a pattern, most of my stuff is CeraVe, because that's what's been working with my skin and I'm loving it. I've been using it I've been using it all year basically. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go on my CeraVe Eye Repair Eye Cream. And I learned something. They said when you put your eye cream on, you can put it on your laugh line also. And because me love laugh, see, I do that. So get up under that eye. And voila. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with my night cream, which is PM. I have both. I have PM and I have AM, so I'm gonna go with PM because it's nighttime. I'm gonna just drop something. I stopped using this for now because it's winter time. So going with my night cream, badang bang. And it's not heavy. What I love with the CeraVe products, they are not heavy at all. And then I am going to go in with my CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Last but not least, I use my brightening face serum, which contains hydrochloric acid, and I just get a few little drops, you know. When you look glowy, honey, yes. And I go in with my facial mist. I have this little gadget that I got from Amazon. I love it oh so much. You put your water, your agua. You can use facial mist, you can use this, but don't put the facial mist in here, okay? Live and learn. You use water and it works just as good. So what you do is you push the button down. I can't see it, but this is what it looks like. And the water is there. Push this down and voila. So I usually do this for like a minute. So yeah, that's what I usually do at night for my face. And then I look like this. This has been my skincare routine. It's nothing extravagant. It's just what's been working for me. You guys can try these products. I highly recommend them. So yeah, I just wanted to share this little, you know, the little thing where I work from. I'm just sharing it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and of course like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. It is greatly appreciated by yours truly. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.